Morning students, today we see the new chapter 8, presentation basics. So now first of all we study about what is a presentation. So what is a presentation software? It is a computer software package. It is used to show the information in the form of slideshow. So what are the functions of this presentation? It allows the text to be inserted and formatted, and for inserting graphic images also, and the slideshow to display the content, and it is used to create presentation, quizzes, e-learning packages and multimedia products. And the most important commonly used presentation are OpenOffice.org Impress, Microsoft PowerPoint and Apple's Keynote. So in this chapter we are going to study about only OpenOffice.org's presentation software, that is called Impress. Okay. So what is Impress? It is an OpenOffice.org's presentation module. So you have to, using this Impress only, you can create a slide. So the slide contains different elements like text, bullet, numbered list, tables, charts, clip art, and then spell check, thesaurus, and also a graphic objects. So how to start a Impress? So start all programs, OpenOffice Impress. And if it is already pinned in the start menu, means you have to just click and open the menu. Okay, so open that OpenOffice Impress directly in the start menu. So how to create a new presentation? So you can create a presentation by using the following any one method. So what are the methods? First one, by selecting an empty presentation, by selecting from template, by selecting from open existing presentation. So what are the three ways to create a presentation? New presentation, by selecting an empty presentation, by selecting from template, by selecting from open existing presentation. So first we study about using empty presentation. If you are clicking the empty presentation, what happens? First we see. So using empty presentation, first you have to select the category. Under the type, we have to select the empty presentation. So click next. So in the next slide, we have to select the slide design. So choose choice presentation backgrounds or presentations. And then click that item to see a preview. And then click next. So choose the desired slide transition from the effort drop down menu. So in that slide, you have to choose a desired slide transition from the which drop down box? Effort. And we have to select the speed also, and then click the create. So what is by using empty presentation, what are the steps you have to follow? Select empty presentation under type. So it creates a presentation from scratch, and then click the next button, and then choose a design under select a slide design. The slide design selection gives the two choices, presentation backgrounds or presentation. You have to choose any one. So each one has a list of choices for slide designs. So if you want to choose any one, and then click the next button. And if you want to see the preview, means we have to click an item to see a preview. And then next, click next, and then choose a desired slide transition from the effect drop down menu and select the speed also. And then next we have to click the create. So a new presentation is created with the new effects. So the next option is using templates. Suppose if you are choosing the option from template, means, so what are the steps we have to follow? Here template means already it will be created. Okay, so if you choose the option from template, it uses a template design already created as the basis for a new presentation. So the wizard changes to show a list of available templates. it show a available templates. So we have to choose the template that you want. And then here there are two pre-packaged presentation templates are there, introducing a new product and recommendation of a strategy. So you have to choose any one from that. Okay. And then if you are choosing using open existing presentation, then if you choose the option open existing presentation, means it helps to open a previously created presentation. If you are already created the presentation, if you want to open, means you have to click open button. So that particular name of the presentation will be opened. Okay. And the next one, how to start a new presentation. So what are the different ways to start a new presentation? You have to select the presentation from the system menu or the openoffice.org quick starter. We have to click the presentation, or you have to click the file new presentation. Okay, you have to choose file new presentation to start a new presentation. So what are all the topics we are studied in this class? First of all, what is presentation, presentation software, and what are the functions of presentation, and then what is Impress and what is a slide, and how to open a how to start a Impress, and how to create a what are the steps to create a new presentation. There are 3 steps are there: by selecting an empty presentation from template, and then open existing presentation. And finally, we study about what are the different ways to starting a new presentation also. File new presentation, automatically the new presentation will be created. Okay, thank you students.